this video, we will talk about how to divide polynomials using division algorithm. So, using this method, you're going to remember these expressions. P quantity x, T quantity x, Q quantity x, and R quantity x. So P quantity x, this is the polynomial given, or simply this is the given dividend. Okay? And then D quantity x is your divisor. Q quantity x, of course, your quotient or simply your answer in division. Tawag kasi dyan quotient. R quantity x is your remainder. Okay, so you need to remember these expressions in using division algorithm. So in using division algorithm, if you are familiar with the old way of dividing numbers when you were on elementary, di ba yung ginagawa niyo pag nag-divide kayo? Let's say, ayan, 150 divided by 5. Yeah, we have 3. And then 15, we have 0, 0. Ayan. So, division algorithm is the algebraic version of this old way of solving in division. Ang pagkakaiba lang kaya bagong version kasi syempre yung sinosolve natin, we have variables and such. So ganyan yung mangyayari when we will use division algorithm in dividing polynomials. So let's say for example, we will be finding the Q quantity x or the quotient and R quantity x or the remainder of this given polynomials. So we have 5x squared plus 3x minus 2 and we will divide it by x plus 1. So we will be rewriting the given, katulad ng ginawa ko kanina. So, I am going to rewrite this 5x squared plus 3x minus 2 and then divided by x plus 1. Okay? So, now, paano naman tayo magde-divide using division algorithm? So, in division algorithm, this will be step-by-step dividing, Ang una po nating i-divide dyan is yung first term dun sa dividend. Di-divide natin siya by the first term in the divisor. So, ang mangyayari, 5x squared divided by x, the answer is 5x, diba? So, dito na natin sinulat kasi, diba, ganyan tayo mag-divide kahit nung sa elementary, hindi siya katapat, nung unang term. Doon na dapat siya katapat nung pangalawang term. So, after natin makuha yung quotient, this quotient, we will be multiplying this quotient to both terms in the divisor. So, ang mangyayari dyan, 5x times x, that is 5x squared, and then 5x times 1, that is positive 5x. So, ganun po yung nangyari. Okay? And then we will subtract this. We will subtract them. No? So, but before we subtract, now we will apply the rules in integers. No? Hindi lang tayo basta-bastang magsusubtract agad. So, ang rule sa subtraction ng integers ay, magpapalit ng sign yung subtrahend. Diba? Tama ba? Yes, tama. Subtrahend. Which is yung nasa baba. So, si 5x squared, magiging siyang negative. Okay? Negative 5x squared na siya. Si 5x, magiging din siyang negative. Okay? Kaya red yung pinangsulat ko para indication na we change the signs. Okay? And then, sabi sa rule, magiging biglang addition. Ganun yung rule pag nag-subtract na integers, diba? So, we will apply the rules in subtracting integers here. At the same time, adding integers, no? So, 5x squared plus negative 5x squared, this will be cancelled. No, 0 na yan. And then the next one, 3x plus negative 5x, the answer is negative 2x. Now, we need to bring down negative 2. Okay, so negative 2. Right after we bring it down, i-divide natin ulit yung unang term dito sa unang term doon sa divisor. So, negative 2x divided by x, the answer is negative 2. Okay? So, hindi ko na papakita yan, no? Dapat alam nyo na yun. Ilang taon na kayong nag-add, subtract ng expressions in algebra, no? So, negative 2, right after natin makuha yung quotient, negative 2, imumultiply natin siya pareho dun sa terms ng divisor. So, negative 2 times x, the answer is negative 2x. And then, negative 2 times 1, the answer is negative 2. Okay? And then, we need to subtract this. And then, apply the rules in subtracting integers. So, negative 2x will become positive 2x. Negative 2 also will become positive 2. So, magiging na siyang positive. And then, the operation will become addition. So, now, we can now add negative 2x plus 2x. This will be cancelled. No, 0 na yan. How about negative 2 plus 2? This will also be 0. So, therefore, we have 0. Now, what is the value of our cube quantity x? So, ang cube quantity x ay yung nasa taas. Yun yung quotient mo, di ba? So, 5x minus 2. Ano naman yung r quantity x? This will be your r quantity x. Kung anong natirang expression sa baba or number or algebraic expression. So, in this example, our remainder is 0. So, this 2 will be your final answer. So, yan lang naman yung ipapahanap ko sa inyo. Okay? Given naman yung P quantity X, this is your P quantity X, and this is your D quantity X. No? Let's solve another example. Let's say we will be finding the quotient and the remainder of this polynomial. So, x squared minus 3x minus 40, and we will divide this by x plus 5. So, again, we will be rewriting the given in the old method of dividing numbers, like that. So, x squared minus 3x minus 40, and we will divide it by x plus 5. So again, ang unang i-divide ay yung unang term, which is this. No? So x squared, i-divide natin siya sa unang term din sa divisor. X squared divided by x, that is x. Okay? And then x, this x here in the quotient, multiply natin sa each term dun sa divisor. Okay, so x times x, that is x squared. X times 5, that is positive 5x. And then we can now subtract. But before subtracting again, apply natin yung rule sa subtraction of integers. So x squared will be negative. Positive 5x will be negative also. And then, the operation will become addition. So, over x squared plus negative x squared, this will be 0, no? And then, negative 3x plus negative 5x, the answer here is negative 8x. And then, we should bring down negative 40. And then, again, repeat the system, no? The process. So, negative 8 the first term here, we need to divide it by the first term in the divisor. So negative 8x divided by x, the answer is negative 8. And then the negative 8 in the quotient, we need to multiply it to both terms in the divisor. So negative 8 times x, the answer is negative 8x. And then negative 8 times 5, the answer is negative 40. And then we need to subtract. In subtracting, we should apply the rules in subtracting integers. So negative 8x will become positive 8x and negative 40 will become positive 40. And then the operation will become addition. Over negative 8x plus 8x, this will be 0, no? And negative 40 plus 40, this will also be 0. So therefore, 0 na yung sa baba. And then if we will be listing the value of our quotient, it will be this, no? X minus 8, that is the quotient. And our quantity x is 0 again. So let us solve last example. No? So let's say we have this polynomials. Let's say we will divide this using division algorithm. Ayan. So again, I am going to rewrite this. So we have x plus 2. And again, according sa process, we need to divide first the first term in the dividend by the first term in the divisor. So x squared divided by x, the answer is x. And then x, the quotient here, we need to multiply it to both the terms in the divisor. So x times x, that is x squared, and x times 2, that is positive 2x. And then we should subtract and apply the rules in subtraction. So x squared will be negative x squared, positive 2x will become negative also 2x. And then the operation will also change to addition. Now, we can now add, no? X squared plus negative x squared, that will be cancelled. And then negative 7x plus negative 2x, the answer is negative 9x. Okay? And then we should bring down positive 10 or plus 10. And then repeat the process. We should divide the first term, which is negative 9x, by the first term in the divisor, which is x. So negative 9x divided by x, the answer is negative 9. And then negative 9 here, the quotient, we should multiply it by the x and 2, which is both the terms in the divisor. So negative 9 times x, the answer is negative 9x. And then negative 9 times 2, the answer is negative 18. And then we should subtract. But then we will be applying the rules in subtracting, no? So negative 9x will become positive 9x. And negative 18 will become positive 18. Okay, tama ba? So negative 9x, negative 18, lagi silang positive 9x, positive 18, and then the operation will become addition. So now let's add negative 9x plus 9x. This will be 0. Okay, 0 na yan. And then 10 plus 18, pareho silang positive, no? 10 plus 18, the answer is 28. So therefore, this will be your remainder. So let's list our answer. Our quotient is x minus 9 and our remainder is 28. So therefore, this will be your answers. And that is how you divide polynomials using division algorithm.